Hi, my name is Gabriella Olivo. I'm in group 9, and this is for Lab 3. I have my circuit right here, my temperature sensor, my breadboard, my Arduino. It's hooked up to MATLAB. I'm going to share my screen now. Here we go. So this is App Designer in MATLAB. Using the components features, I dragged and dropped onto a specified area. I added a FIU logo, a plot to plot time versus temperature. And this is going to collect temperature data from the Arduino and the LM335 sensor. There's a start, stop, and clear button. There's also a configurations panel with the ability to change between Celsius and Fahrenheit. That'll change the y-axis. There's a max and min temp, and the user can set what the max and min temp can be. If the temperature sensor collects environmental data over the max temp, the plot will turn red. And if the sensor collects environmental data under the minimum temp, it will turn the plot green. For every other case, it'll stay black. This will display the total time elapsed. And this is the code view. MATLAB automatically codes the GUI for you. And then you can add your own functions. This connects to the Arduino. This sets the conversion between voltage to temperature in Celsius or Fahrenheit. A while loop for the start function. And this controls the switch. So if the switch is set to Celsius, the temp will collect in Celsius units and change the Y label as well. And this if-else statement changes the colors. Okay, so let's run the plot. Let's see, I might have to reboot the program. Have MATLAB back open. Share my screen again. So we're back in the program. Set a reboot. And we're going to try to run now. I'll hit run. And my GUI will automatically center itself on the screen. Let me make sure that I'm sharing the right screen. New share. Okay, I have to share this. Okay, so now my GUI is being shared. So yeah, just like we saw in the app designer, the logo, the plots, total elapsed time, configuration. So I'm going to select start. Okay, so change to Fahrenheit because the switch is set to Fahrenheit. Now it's plotting data in black, and total elapsed time is changing as well. So I'm going to switch this to Celsius, and it's going to change the scale and the degrees to Celsius. And I'm going to take a blow dryer and I'm going to try to heat up the circuit to see if we can get it to change. So we'll set the max temp to the lowest it can be, and we'll try to set this to the highest it can be, which is 64.99. Let's do 64. Okay, we're going to see if we can. And start. I could see that it's red now. that the circuit was heated up. And same thing will happen if I was able to get my house cold enough to turn the screen. Okay, and that's about it. Thanks.